and chiropractor Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Dizzy back here with us today, Daisy. But she's less dizzy today than she has been. So we've been giving her some tips on pillows and goose down feather pillows and sleeping properly and the proper biomechanics and posture, because she is feeling this when she changes positions from a sitting or lying down position to getting up. Right, Daisy? Mm-hmm. That's when you feel it the most? Yep. And we've also referred her to a neurologist to evaluate her brain and for Meniere's syndrome. So we are covering all the bases here. Let's have you close your eyes for me, Daisy, and bend your head forward and backwards for me. Yeah, see, that's much straighter. And take a look in the mirror right now. See, your posture's much better. It's more down the center than it has been. Your head's not tilted so much right now, which means your atlas is lined up better than it has been. The power of a chiropractic adjustment on the nervous system is immense, and if you are subluxated or misaligned in the C1, occiput, C1, C2 area, it surrounds the medulla oblongata or the brainstem, it can cause all kinds of neurological havoc. And we have checked her to make sure she didn't have any vascular disorders in her carotid arteries or her brain. Orthopedic neurological test on her, which were negative for pathology. So I'm confident that with continued adjustments on her atlas and cervical spine region, that her dizziness will continue to slowly go away, if not abruptly at some point in time, and that she should be able to get up and down and be in different positions without getting dizzy. So, and we're already making headway on that, so we're going to do that. But just to cover all the bases, we're going to refer out to a neurologist for evaluation. Let's go ahead and lay you on your back here to check her brain, because the really only way to evaluate that completely is to do an MRI on the brain and see a neurologist. Get a little dizzy there? Well, that's better than it was last week, though.
Not like a vertigo,
right.
But a little bit feeling a little bit heavy or something.
You have more of what most people would call motion sickness type feeling.
Yeah, I do have that when I was
You have that when you're on a boat and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, well that might be part of what's
cruise,
going on.
but like a small boat.
Right. Yeah, the waves rocking you. Okay, nice deep breath in. By the way, we got new towels. There we go. So it's easier on the neck. Still felt that all the way down though, didn't you? Good. Okay. Now let me have your neck here. Perfect. Yep, I got you. Okay, let me do all the work for you, Daisy. Tilt left a little. Move your right big toe. There we go. Okay. So, and we also have been advising Daisy to sleep on her back with her head completely back against the bed or the pillow, with no big pillow. That's why the goose down feather pillow, which I think, in my opinion and my professional experience, is better than one of those Tempur-Pedics, because those still prop your head forward and put you into forward head posture. Go. All right. Legs are exactly even. That's good. And does that tighten up anywhere in your back, Daisy?
No.
Okay, good. So she has a negative Knockless and a negative Deerfield. So I'm still going to adjust her SI joints just to put proper movement in there. Exhale. There we go. There. just doing some lateral oblique manual therapy traction on her. I'm contacting her SI joint here, and then I'm obliquely stretching her paraspinal muscles, which is what my contact is with my thenar eminence on her paraspinal muscles. And you can see the stretches superior to inferior on the y-axis and oblique on the y-axis as well. Okay, Daisy, very good. So this should feel even smoother. Yep.
Do you still need to pump my shoulder thing?
I'm not done with that yet. I'm going to adjust you there now.
Like the gun.
Oh, I'm going to do that at the end. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. See, we're putting the curve back forward in her neck too, which she'd lost some of her cervical curve.
No, I mean the gun for
Your shoulders? Yeah.
that.
Okay, here. Yeah, just lay there a second. So, I'm just using this Atlas adjusting instrument to percuss her teres muscles on her shoulders. There, and this resets the Golgi tendon apparatus and muscle spindle. Yeah, that's good. That's it. Okay. Slide down this way just a little bit, Daisy. Straight down. Here, I'll help you. There we go. That's good. Now, if you'll put your arms out to the sides. Go straight out this way for me, and palms up. Adjusting her shoulders bilaterally, her clavicles, where they attach to the sternum bilaterally, and her anterior ribs bilaterally as well. There we go. Okay, you relax your hands on your tummy. There we go. Did you feel that all the way up in your back?
Mm-hmm.
And that one too? Good. Okay, let's sit you up and face towards Joseph. Did you get dizzy setting up right then?
Little.
Okay. Okay, that shoulder's lined up pretty good. There we go. Okay. You just check your elbows here. Stand up here in front of the mirror now. Now, one really good test for checking out if a person has brain pathology is called Romberg's test. Put your feet all the way together, and I want you to close your eyes. And see, she's not falling to one side or the other. That's actually, you're not weaving around a bit right now. Do you feel dizzy at all?
No.
Yep. Take a look in the mirror right now. That's perfect posture. Shoulders are exactly level, your pelvis is right down the middle, your hands are at your sides. You didn't sway at all when you had your eyes closed with your feet together. That's a negative Romberg test, and that's also an excellent sign that your nervous system is working the way it's supposed to, and you got a curve forward in your cervical spine now. Does that feel any better to you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and this is Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.